Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyling in spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas in two short wave and curls on hair. Wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curls naturally. Some ideas make curl with curler. And very attractive ideas of fine hairstyle. So attractive eye-catching ideas of hair dye. blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, so attractive ideas, trendy ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Different ideas of base color. Most attractive color and very beautiful ideas. And different ideas of haircut. See haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, very beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art in low maintenance. And many much more beautiful and latest ideas, trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. Some ideas for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.